What's up, guys? So I just left the gym. Not the greatest gym I've ever been to, but it worked. It was about 5 degrees Celsius hotter inside than it was outside. So when I walked outside, it felt like I was in aircon, which was a little, I guess that's a nice treat, but inside it was a rough workout for sure. And since I earned a little treat, we're gonna go find a smash burger. And it looks like they have Nashville hot chicken tenders, so it's actually nearby. That's kind of why I chose this gym today. So I think I've got a short little walk here. It's a nice little road, nice sidewalk. So we'll go there and we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, the place we're going is called Mouth Stash. But walking here, I found this place called Wild Wings. I guess it's sort of like Buffalo Wild Wings. They have a bunch of different flavors: classic buffalo, honey mustard, original, salt, pepper, Korean snow cheese. I don't know what that is. Garlic parm, butter Cajun, peanut, caramelized patty, salted egg, sour cream. I kind of want to try these. They all come with unli rice and 1 glass of tea. They also have an 89 peso chicken burger, which is that's what they call a chicken sandwich here. But I am on the hunt for this burger. So this is a nice little shopping center. It was only like another 30-second walk. I guess I could have filmed all that, but you know, it is what it is. And I found it. It's at the very back, hidden. It's like a little shopping or shipping container restaurant. All right, so I ordered, I think I'm the first customer of the day. I was here early-ish. So we got the double burger, $2.25. It's like a double smash burger, and then the Nashville hot tenders, and you can choose levels. I got the extra hot with the OG sauce. She didn't know what was in it, but she said it was the best, so. All right, it looks deadly. There's a bunch of spice on this bad boy. Oh yeah, it's dark. And I got a double smash burger. Let's try the special sauce. I can't tell what that is. I don't know what that sauce is. It's like watered down tartar sauce with sugar in it. It's a very Filipino sauce. So it's before I eat the hot, just in case it's crazy hot. Let's try the smash burger first. So it's nice and big. I mean, it's pretty hefty. Swimming in sauce, classic Filipino style. Smells good. The burger is nice, like a high quality McDonald's style. I think it's got a bunch of that OG sauce on there. It's like peppery. It does have a pickle, which is rare. You can see how sloppy it is, which is good sometimes. Wait, I got the beef there. I think it's good. I don't think it's better than the one I had at the DGT market. But it's nice. Ooh. So hungry after the gym. Okay. Now let's try these bad boys. It's so dark, even on the bottom. Wish me luck. I've been to Nashville, and I had Prince's Nashville hot chicken. This would be considered like a 1 out of 10 there, but this is their hottest here. Get a little bit of the sauce. Let's try it again. It's definitely dark. They put spice, whatever spice they have. It is nice and crunchy. I forget how Prince does their spice levels, but I didn't get the hottest. They got like their hot, and then extra hot, extra hot. I got like 2 or 3 levels down from the top, and that was so hot I could barely finish it. I mean, it was I was suffering. This is like, okay, it's like if you've had spicy Cheetos, it's like that. Not dying. It's okay. It is Filipino style. They don't like spicy food here. Even their spicy stuff is like what I would consider mild. As someone who loved like Mexican food and chilies and buying hot sauces and things. Like my face isn't even burning, my lips aren't burning. It's just like it's spicy. So it was worth a shot. I'm gonna finish this. It's a good place if you want to try it. Good smash burger, pretty standard, and good crunchy chicken tenders. So I'm gonna see if I can try to enjoy the rest of this and then get home. We're supposed to go out tonight to a place called Henny Penny. It's known for their viral chicken sandwiches, so maybe that'll be the next video you see. Bye guys.
You love here?
Thank you. Sure. Thanks about that. All right, so we got the double chicken buffalo burger. Comes with a sesame coleslaw and some nice pickles, and then 2 fried chicken thighs. Like delicious fun. Let's see how big it is. Let's give it a shot. I don't even know if I can get it in my mouth. Oh yeah. Wow. The sauce is really good. Like the buffalo sauce is spicy, and like the sesame coleslaw is very like flavorful, a little bit of sweet. Let's try the fries. We got like the paprika on them, I think. Good, crispy. It's actually a good location. There's a lot of other good restaurants here. There's a couple of chicken places. There's a Middle Eastern shawarma place next door. There's even a I think they sell a bak choy or Perez, like soup. And there's a couple of carinderias. So a lot of good choices here at the Mabini complex. But this burger is huge. I've only got a couple of bites, but it's still, I mean, it's probably weighs at least a pound and a half. Cucumbers are a nice addition. The chicken is huge. This is $1.45, so it's like $2.50 roughly. Including the fries. So if you're in Davao, come to Home Bro. I think they're open every day. We'll see you later.